Okay. See, as of now, we worked on only one table, right? At a time in our statement, right? So as of now, only one table we are using. So if you want to fetch the data from two tables, then we will join those two tables. Understand? If you want to fetch the data from two tables, we will join those two tables. If you want to join two tables, we need to have some common column. Understand? We need to have some common column. Okay. Let's see here. We have different joins like inner join, outer join. Okay. We will see what are those joins. Okay. So let's say for example here, what is this table? Orders. And why we need to have the join? Because we sometimes we cannot have all the columns in one table. We need to fetch other columns related data from the second table, right? Let's say for example, orders table. Okay, if you see order ID is there, right? Let's say order ID is primary key. Okay, every time when we place the order ID will be generated, right? Let's say if you are placing the order in Amazon, what will happen? Order ID will be generated, right? For whom? Some employee ID. See, some customer is employee ID and order date, which date, and who is shipping, shipper ID. Again, there is one more table called shippers. There can be. Okay, there can be one more table called shippers. There, let's say you are having shipper name, right? Shipper ID, shipper address, something like that. Company name and everything. So if you want to fetch the data from both the tables, orders, comma, shippers, we need to join those two tables by common column shipper ID. Understand? Same way here, we have orders table, we have customers table. So if you look into the data, what is the common column in both the tables? What is the common column from both the tables? Are you able to see the table, the data? Right? Orders table, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, right? And customers table, 7 columns, right?
Yes.
What is the common column from both the tables? What is the common column? Why you are not able to answer? You can see here, right? Customer ID.
Oh,
Customer ID is there in both the tables, right? So now we need to write the statement, fetch the data from both the tables where customer ID matches, right? So in orders table we have customer ID 2. So we are preparing a report. In the report we want all the columns from both the tables, right? 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7. 12 columns, right? All the 12 columns we want to see in the result set for every customer. So now how we will write? Okay.
using the primary key.
Select whatever the columns you want. Order ID, comma, customer ID, comma, employer ID. For now, whatever you want. Okay. Comma, order date. Okay. From order date, from orders table. All these columns are from orders, inner join, second table. What is the second table? Customers, right? Where orders dot customer ID equals customers dot customer ID. So if we execute this statement, what will be our output? Tell me. How many columns we see? Your result set.
597.
How many columns we see?
4.
4. Order ID, customer ID, employer ID, order ID. And how many rows we see? Looking at these two tables, tell me how many rows we see? Huh? 6. Why 6?
No,
How
3.
many customer IDs are matching? What is our condition? Where orders dot customer ID?
Oh, only one is matching.
Only one is
one.
matching. We will see only one. But now we've taken the columns from only orders table, right? Now we will include the columns from customers table also. Okay? So customer ID is common column, right? Already there, it's there, customer ID. Now customer name, right? Customer name, comma, let's say address, comma, city, I'm putting. Customer name, address, comma, city. Okay? Let's execute this statement. Okay. Run. There is an ambiguous column, customer ID. So customer ID is there in two tables. It's confusing where to take it. Okay, it's saying it don't understand ambiguous column. So what we need to do, we need to mention the table name. Let's say I am saying, anyway, this is common column, right? I am saying orders dot customer ID. No such column, employer ID. Do you have employee ID maybe? What is the table name? Employee ID, not employer ID. Employee ID. Okay? See? Understand now? We'll see. Orders dot customer ID equal to customer dot. Okay, here this is the sample data. We have other rows also, 5 and but here we should get 2, right? 3 is not here, right? 1 and 3 are not here, right? 1 and 3 should not come. But you see, customer ID 90 is there in both the tables. 90. What about 2? Why 2 is not coming? So here, again we can sort. We want to sort by the customer. How to do sorting? Tell me.
Ascending order.
No, order by. Yeah, 2 is there. Okay. 2, 3 is there. 5 is not there. Why 5 is not? 5 is there. 2, 3 is there. 1 is not there. Why 1 is not there? Because 1 is not in the orders table. Right? 1 is not in the orders table. Right? So now if you check the result set for 2, how many columns we are taking from the orders table? 1, 2, 3, 4. All these 4 are coming from the orders table. Right? For customer ID 2. What about 3 columns? They are coming from the customers table. You see, for customer ID 2, what is the city? Customer ID 2, what is the city? Mexico, right? Right? Same thing is coming. Address also, this one. Understand? Now we are fetching the data from 2 tables based on the condition. Understand? What is the condition we have used? Tell me. What is the condition? What is the condition here? Order start customer ID equal to customer start customer ID. Got it? You understand the inner join, the syntax? Select the column names from table 1. Okay, here what is the table 1 orders? Inner join table 2. What is table 2 here? Customers. Right? Where? Condition. where condition. Understand? Here, how to write the query? Okay. That is inner giant. We will use the inner giant to fetch the data from two tables based on the condition. So inner giant will return whatever the matching data based on condition, right? So now you guys tell me how to fetch. Now we want two columns from the orders table, order ID, customer ID, and two columns from the customer table, customer name and city. Okay. Two columns from the order table, two columns from the customer table. Now tell me how to write the query. Who want to try? Anybody? How to write the query? You did not understand the inner giant? Now tell me the syntax, how to write the query.
Select ID.
What are
Select
the two columns?
any two columns from the orders table you can select. Here you have the result set, select two. Order ID,
Customer ID,
order ID, comma,
comma, customer ID, comma, customer name, comma, customer city,
just city.
okay.
City,
From orders,
from table 1, orders.
inner join
Yeah, nice. Inner giant,
customers,
table 2. Okay.
Where?
See, instead of where, we can use on. On customer, sorry, orders dot
orders,
customer
customer
ID
Customer
equal
ID
to
equal to
customers
customer
dot,
customers dot ID.
right? See, this is the
Yes.
sentence. Select the columns from table 1, inner giant, table 2, on condition. Okay? Now run this. Ambiguous column name, customer ID. See, it's saying ambiguous. Anytime ambiguous means more than one. It's confused where to take. So now what we need to do here? Saying order start. Take it from, because anyway that is common column, right? Data will be same, right? It can come from, you understand now? So 193 customers are matching. This is the data. You understand? Based on our requirement, we can write whatever the columns we want in the result set. We can include those columns. Understand? Clear? Now here we can use the alias name. Orders customers C. So now what you will do here? O dot order ID, C dot city, C dot customer name, C dot. So here O dot customer ID equal to C dot customer ID. Right now run the query. Same thing. Understand? So after the table name, you give the alias name. Now you can use this to access the columns inside the table. Here, guys. Okay. This is inner giant. Inner giant. This is not. Okay. Same way, we have outer joins, left outer join and right outer join. So here, what is left table, what is right table? Tell me. There are two tables, orders table and customers table. What is left table? What is right table? Always first one is the left table. Okay. Orders is the left table. Customers is the right table. Okay, got it? So if you say here, see right now you see 193, right? So here you say left outer join. Okay, we'll see what will happen. You see 196 records. So what will happen when you say left outer join? All the records will come from the left table. Okay, all the records will come from the left table. And matching records, see here 90 is matching. That's the reason the data is there, right? Customer ID 90, these two columns are from orders table, these two are from customer. So here we have the order ID 90. So same way we have customer ID 90 here in the orders table. Same way we have customer ID 90 in customers table also. That's the reason we see the data, customer data. So if it is not there, okay. For example, 2 is there, 37, 77. We will check 37, 77. Okay, let's do order by O dot customer ID. Right? Okay, 2 is there. What about 37? 37 is there or not? We don't know, right? 37. 37 is there. Okay, 37 is there. But why multiple times is coming? Tell me. Anyone? Same data or different data? See 4 records, 5 records, 6 records.
The customer ID is different.
No, customer ID is this one, right? Customer ID is this one, first one. Yes,
No,
first one.
order.
No, second one.
Order
Customer ID is same. Order ID is different. Order ID is coming from the orders table. So that is one row, right? So, okay, we have different orders for this customer. Okay, customer name is same for that day, right? One customer can have more than one order, right? Right? Understand? So 37 is there. So if something is not there in the second table, right table, what will happen? Okay, there is a guy in the orders table, okay, customer ID. That customer ID is not in the right table. What will happen? Null value should come. But do we see anywhere null value coming in the second table? This is the second table columns, right? Null value anywhere?
No.
Yeah, here.
no, yes, the
66. 66. Right? 66 for this guy, he is in the orders table. In the orders table, these are the orders. This guy, he is not in the customers table. Right? 3 records. So these are the 3 records. Previously 196, right? These are the 3 records added. Now, if you search for select star from customers where customer ID equal to 66. What should happen now? Tell me. How many rows we will get? How many rows we
3.
will get? Huh?
3 rows.
0. Because this is the right table, we are not getting the data from there, right? See. 0. But same thing, same query, if you apply on orders table, how many rows we will get? How many orders are there for this guy? 3. Right? 288, 428, 443. This guy have 3 orders. That's the reason for each row, okay, we don't have data for the customer. So that's the reason we are getting null values. Understand? From the customer table. You understand? So left outer join, everything we will get. All the rows we will get from the left table. And for matching rows, the data will be there. Right? For non-matching rows, we will get the null values. Clear? So here, for this customer ID is non-matching. Customer ID 66 is not there in the right table. What is the right table? Customer table. Right? Customer table, okay, this is the right table. Customer table 66 is not there. Okay? So, but this is there. Left table it is there. Left table, these 2 columns are coming, but since the data is not there, null is coming. Clear? Same way, if you change this to right outer join, what will happen? Right outer join, what will happen? Everything will come from the right table. Matching rows will come from the left table. For non-matching rows, we will get null values. We will see. See here? Yeah, there are customers. All these customers, okay, we don't have orders. Okay, we have all these customers. Right? We have all this. Do you want to check the customer ID for this? If you want to check the customer ID, we want to check the customer ID from customer table. What we need to change? Tell me. What we need to change in this query? We want to get the customer ID from customers table, second table. Here we need to change. Instead of O here, second table customers, right? This one. You see? Okay. For customer ID 1 is not there in the first table, right? Now this column is coming from the second table because we changed. Only order ID is coming from the first table, right? Left table. So all these 3 columns are coming from the customer table. Customer ID 1 is not there in the orders table, right? Customer ID 1 is not there in the orders table. So what will happen to the order ID? We are taking order ID column from the left table. It will be null. Same way 6, 12, all these guys are not there. You understand? So right outer join, it will get everything from the right table and matching rows from the left table. For non-matching rows, null values will come. Non-matching rows. Understand? Is it clear? The joins, inner join, outer join. Left outer join, right outer join. Any questions? If you have any questions, right away ask. Definitely, these are the entry questions. They will ask what is inner join, what is outer, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. There is one more, full outer join, self join. All these things they will ask. Did you understand or any questions? Let's say again on top of this we can apply the conditions where let's say we want to check customer ID below 20. Okay, we will see. Okay, where O dot customer ID less than 20. Now how many will come? on, sorry, and let me see. Yeah. No. Already order by is there, right? Order by should be at on. See what will happen. You see now 105. You see if you O dot customer ID we are taking instead of O dot customer ID, let's say customer dot customer ID. It's not reflecting. Right over here we are applying the okay, I will check this one. Okay, why this is not reflecting here? But do you understand this one? Giants. Okay, left giant here they are calling another giant full giant. Okay, what is full outer giant? Okay, it will be everything from two tables: left table, right table. Right, full outer giant it will take everything from the left table and right table. Okay. So let's say here three records. How many records will be there? For each row, 3 times it will come. For each row, customer ID 1, again it will come 3 times. Customer ID 1 with this data. Okay, full outer giant. So if you see the syntax, see full outer giant. Okay, let's run this one. Select customer start customer name, order start order ID. Only 2 columns they are taking from 2 tables. From customers, full outer giant, orders, outer giant, orders on customers dot customer ID equal to orders dot customer ID. Customers dot customer ID equal to orders dot customer ID. Then order by customer dot customer name they are doing. Same thing we can change. Instead of right outer giant, full outer giant. Okay, you see 214 records. Okay. If it is right outer giant, 211 records. Full outer giant, for each record from the left table, okay, into this one, partition product. You see this one? Everything from both tables will come. All the records will come from 2 tables. Full outer giant, you need to remember this. Self join, it's little complex. You will join within the same table. Within the same table. See here what they are doing. From customers A, again same table, customers B. Okay, customers A, again same table, customers B, alias. Okay, the where A dot customer ID not equal to B dot customer ID. Okay, and A dot city equal to B dot city, order by city. We will execute this one. I will say. Okay, select customer name. So it's taking some column. What is the customer name? Okay, A dot, so same table, customers table only. They're taking A dot customer name, then as customer name 1. Okay, first one is customer name 1, then B dot customer name as customer name 2. Okay, A dot city city, A dot city, from customers, same table, customers table A, alias name, again same table, customers table B, where A dot customer ID not equal to B dot customer ID. And A dot city not equal to B dot city. Okay. Order by city. So what they are doing here, they are checking the customer ID not equal to. Okay, let's see if we take one customer ID. Okay, if it is not equal to the B dot customer ID within that, okay, then they are printing this, and city equal to same. For example, if we take, okay, if we take this city, how to write another query here. Okay, select star from customers where city equal to this one. So now if you check what will happen, that's the reason we are getting those records. You see what they are doing, if taking some city, okay, where A dot city equal to B dot city, city is same. Okay, how many records we have? 3 records. City is same and customer ID is not same. 3 records are 12, 54, 64. Okay, 12, 54, 64. So now execute this query. Okay, but customer name is different. All these guys, customer name is different, right? You see, customer name they are printing. Okay. Okay, these are the 3 guys we should get. Okay, now run this. What did we change here? Actually, my system will restart. You understand now? Restart in 5 minutes, I mentioned. Okay. Okay, select. Okay, we will see the first customer and second customer. We will display. Not prepare statement, one not error. What is that? Yeah. You see here, like for this guy, it's repeating. To understand this one, we need to include the, if you include customer ID, what will happen? A dot customer ID, comma, B dot customer ID, comma. Okay. How to understand this one? Customer ID 54. Okay, customer ID 54. before. You see two different customer names. Okay. Okay. You see it start with OCA, right? So if we check this, is coming from this one OCA. You see, if you observe this one OCA, this is the one customer name 2. Okay, customer name 2 is from B table. Okay, basically they are treating this as two separate tables again. Okay, they are comparing within the same table. Normally, if you are using joins, what we do, we have two tables, left table, right table, right? But here, self join will work on the same table. Same table, they can have the condition. You see where customer ID not equal to B dot customer ID, but city equal to same. Okay, that is the condition they are checking. Just in interview point of view, you need to answer self join. Anytime when they ask self join means within the same table we are joining. Based on some condition, the result set will come. Understand? Is it clear? How many joins are there? How many joins are there? Inner join, left outer join, right outer join, full join, and self join. So normally full join, full outer join, and self join they won't ask. They want to check your knowledge on the inner join. Most frequently you will use the inner join. Outer joins also you won't use. But the inner join you need to be very strong. Understand? You need to remember the syntax. Select columns from first table, inner join, second table on the condition. Okay, clear? Okay, my laptop will restart now. We can start another session. So just to go through everything, the SQL. Now we have quiz also. Go through the quiz. Okay, you can check where you stand. Somewhere here you will see at the end SQL quiz. Okay, everyone, you open this one. You can start. What does SQL stand for? Okay. Which SQL statement is used to extract data from the database?
Get.
Get. What is the syntax of the get statement? Tell me. Do you have get statement in SQL Server?
No.
It says select star from table, right? We do. Which SQL statement you use to update the data in the database? Update. SQL we use to delete the data. Delete. Right? Used to insert new data into database. Insert into, right? How do you select a column name, first name, from table name persons? Select
First name from person.
select first name from
Yeah,
persons,
person.
right? This one.
Yeah.
Okay. How do you select all the columns from persons?
Select star from persons.
How do you select all the records from table name persons where the value of the column first name is Peter?
What one?
Okay. Select all the records from table persons where the value of column first name start with A.
First one.
Percentage.
A percentile.
starts with A. A percentage, this one, last one.
Less.
OR operator displays a record. Any condition listed are true. The AND operator displays a record if all the conditions listed are true. Is it true or false statement?
True.
In SQL, how do you select all the records from table name persons where the first name is Peter and last name is Jackson?
Then select star from person.
This one, right? And last name equal to Jackson. Where last name is alphabetically between and including Hansen and Peterson. Yeah, tell me. Records from persons where last name is alphabetically between.
Second option.
Hansen and Peterson. Okay. Which SQL statement you use to return only different values?
Distinct.
Distinct. Okay. Which SQL keyword you use to sort the result set?
Order by.
Sort by.
Order by.
By. How can you return all the records from the table name persons? Sorted descending by first name.
Last one.
Select star from persons. Sort by
No, order by. Second one. Second one.
order by first name descending. How can you insert new record into the persons table? Tell me.
Insert into.
Last one.
Persons values.
Yes.
How can you insert Olson as the last name in the persons table?